Remember the old-fashioned slow poke sucker? Eating caramel on a stick simply cannot be rushed, I say. This homemade version is even more luxurious. To teach how to make it, I'm joined by caramel making pro, Rowena Montoya. It's great to see you.
Thank you, Brooke.
I mean, I'll thank you later because I've been snacking on all your yummies during the commercial break. But hey, you have a message, and that message is simply caramel is not just for Halloween, not just for Christmas.
Right, and we can do fun things with caramel at Easter time in the spring. Give it a nice little fresh look. We can put it on a stick, which I think is so fun. And
anything on a stick is more fun, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And then we can dip it in some chocolate. And instead of doing an Easter egg, what about doing a caramel stick? Like just doing something fun and decorating it.
Well, I think back to my childhood, those sugar daddy. Right?
Yes.
I know your caramel is way more gourmet than that, so that's not an insult. I'm just saying I have memories of that treat as a little girl.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And so why not share that same tradition that you had as a little girl with our children or grandchildren?
How have you shaped these out?
So actually we have caramel slabs, and what I did is I just cut them into whatever shape, but really you could actually cut the caramel into like a Easter egg shape or into a rabbit shape.
Oh, sure, ears.
Exactly, any shape that you want, and then you can dip it.
Show us how to dip. Show us how.
So we just dip it right in our chocolate. I'm just going to do a little half of it.
How thick do you want it? Because the caramel itself is pretty thick.
It is. So if you like, it just depends on what you like. So this mixture of chocolate is a light and dark chocolate, which is what I prefer.
Oh, yum.
Because then you get the best of both worlds.
What are we topping it with, Rowena?
So we can top it with coconut.
Coconut.
Or if you want to make them pink, you can top them with the pink little flakes or nuts.
Cute.
Or what about sea salt, Brooke?
Oh, you're known for that combination, right? Little sea salt with some gourmet caramel.
Exactly.
Oh, this is fun.
Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
And wouldn't this be fun with the kids? Just something different. And then they've got a really nice treat they've made for grandma or aunts or uncles or neighbors.
Is this parchment, wax paper? What is this?
This is freezer paper. It's always easier for us to get chocolate or caramel off.
Of the freezer paper. Okay, there's one idea, one application for caramel at Easter time. You've got another dessert idea for us too.
I do. So we did a magic bar. And we just, we took all the ingredients for a magic bar, and I love shortbread. So I actually did a shortbread crust.
Okay.
So, but you could do either. There's two different recipes.
What's traditional, the cookie crumble?
Yeah, it's a cookie crumble with brown sugar. Okay. So, and that's what this is. And so we can actually put that right into the pan.
Let's do it.
And you just throw it
in. Out?
Yep.
May I help?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, I'm good with simple directions in the kitchen. I'm really good at it. Okay.
And yep, we just press it all the way out. And this is just flour, brown sugar, and butter. Okay. And then you cook it just like this.
Voila, move that on over. And what's our next layer?
So our next layer would be our chocolate chips. Okay. And so you can go ahead and just put those down if you want. Just sprinkle them right down.
Am I covering the cookie layer?
Yep, just as much as you want or as little.
I mean, no one's going to complain about extra chocolate, right?
Nope, not at all.
They are. I don't want to be their friend. No, just kidding, just kidding.
And then we're going to take a little coconut and we'll sprinkle that up on top.
Okay.
And pecans or almonds, which would be delicious on this, right?
Yes.
So, and there's some pecans right here.
Got it.
You can take those.
Got it.
Sprinkle those right up on top.
Like a treat-making station.
Exactly.
Okay.
And then we put a little bit of sweetened condensed milk on the top. And that kind of holds it just right.
I don't know that I've ever made these. I've eaten my fair share of magic bars, but just drizzle here?
Yep, just drizzle all the way down. Okay. And it just kind of, and then I topped it with, of course, caramel.
So the magic doesn't stop there?
No, we've got more magic.
You may have kind of a smaller supply of caramel than you did before you started because you were busy melting that chocolate and I was busy sampling the caramel. So sorry about that. Is that good?
Yes, perfect.
Okay, and caramel goes on top?
Yep, caramel on top. And we just sprinkle that with caramel and then you bake this in the oven. You have the recipe, so I'm excited to share that with you.
That was kind of you. Thank you.
And you're ready to go. Then
it gets all ooey gooey.
Yes, and this is what you have.
Oh, amazing. Am I seeing little sprinkles of sea salt too on top?
You know, I love sea salt, so yes, absolutely.
What is it about sea salt that pairs so well with caramel?
You know, I think it's just that salty flavor that you get after you get the sweet, and then at the end you just get that savory. So
it's like my 13th piece of caramel. It's fine. Nobody worry about it. It's fine. Can't wait to try these at home. Recipes on our website, so thank you for sharing that.
Oh,
you can dial it up at studio5.ksl.com. And if people would like to put in their order for some special caramelized treats for their Easter basket, how do they connect with you?
They can just call us at Julianne Carmel's. The number is 801-783-8324, and order and pick up right in our, we have a factory in Sandy.
Well, thanks for the inspiration. Caramel is our new favorite treat for Easter and springtime. Thanks to you.
Absolutely.
We appreciate it. Good to see you.